Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am here with you all today with another scrapbook process video. So fun story about this process video. I thought I had edited it and saved it and uploaded it ready to go. Well, not uploaded, but had gotten it ready to go. Apparently I hadn't saved it yet. And so this is take 2 with the editing process for this video. So that's what happens when you have too many things on the go in your life at once. Things are crazy. At our house right now, we are moving this week. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow we do a final walkthrough of the house that we bought. And then Thursday we have a meeting with the lawyers. And Friday is the day we get possession of our house, our new house. So things are crazy here. This weekend is going to be nuts. Absolutely nuts. So for this layout, I am using papers from the October Hip Kit Club. I also would just like to say that I love this layout and how it turned out. I think it turned out amazing. Oh, sorry. I was moving my arm on the table and you could probably hear that because this microphone picks up a lot. So I am scrapbooking photos from when we were selling our current house. This is some of the staging that the realtor did in our house. It wasn't anything significant. It was just like, a couple pillows and a painting. There wasn't a lot of staging done to our house. We used what we had already, basically. So I believe those are 3x4 pictures, and I may have cut them down a tiny bit because I like to mat my photos on paper that is 3x4, because I got this really great tip a long time ago. Well, not super long ago, but a while ago in a class that I took. And the instructor said that if you want to get the most out of your paper, you should cut it into 4-inch strips and to use it as mats, because 4 divides by 12, and it's better than cutting it at like 4 1/4, and then you can only get 2 4 1/4-inch mats out of a piece of paper. Oh, sorry. I had to yawn. So she said that if you want to get the most out of your paper, you should cut it to 4-inch strips and then just cut a tiny bit off your picture, which in most cases won't make a difference. Or you could print your pictures at that size if you wanted to. I didn't, because I didn't know what I wanted to do with them until I started scrapbooking. So I most likely just trimmed a tiny little bit off the edge, the top and the edge, one edge, or both edges, depending on the picture. I usually leave 1/8 of an inch on all 4 sides when I'm matting. I don't like it bigger than that. I've tried it. I don't like it. Oh, I just want to say I'm really sorry for the glare on the pictures. I know it's annoying. I've tried and tried and tried to sort out my lighting so that it doesn't make a glare on the picture. And I think a big part of it is that the photo paper I'm using now is super, super glossy. So I don't think that helps. When I get photos printed through a store, I don't believe it's as glossy as this paper. So I have tried to fix my lighting. I've tried turning lights on and off and moving them, and it just doesn't really seem to change the glare on the picture. So I have tried. I will continue to try. Hopefully when we move, I can get my lighting set up appropriately. When we do move, I literally get to build my scrapbook room from scratch, because it is in a partially finished basement. So I will be doing that eventually, not right away, which means there might be some weird filming angles, and because I don't know what's going to happen. But we'll see. Oh, I should have brought water with me. My mouth is really dry. Oh. So everything that I'm using came from the Hip Kit Club. I don't think I added anything into this layout at all. Oh, I don't know if you can hear, but there's a dog headed down towards me. I don't know. We'll see if he comes the rest of the way. So I was really excited because I finally have a reason to use all these little house stickers that, come in every Jen Hadfield collection that I never use. And I was really excited. Okay, let's have a chat about this ephemera package. It is the Jen Hadfield ephemera package. Now, I really like the icons. I don't like the finish on them. They are very shiny. They're kind of more like cardstock stickers than ephemera. Apparently, I prefer matte ephemera pieces, which I was not aware of until I had this die cut package. Also, this one's not as bad, but the flower version of this ephemera. Oh, I'm sorry. The flower ephemera package from the same line has a huge white border around the edges. Every single piece, I think I have a video using it, but every single piece of ephemera that I've used from that package, I have cut the borders down. Yeah. I'm not a fan. Which is too bad because they're cute. They're really cute pieces and I want to like them, but I just don't because of the finish and because of the borders. I don't think I use the flowers on this layout, but that sticker is stuck there now. I don't remember what I was thinking. I filmed this a long time ago and then I edited it right when I had finished it, but then I thought that it was uploaded, but it wasn't. And I deleted it. So now I have to start over again. And I don't remember what I was thinking, what my thought process was when I did this or anything. So I'm really sorry. I'm not a fan of filming videos and then waiting like several weeks to finish them. It's not I don't like doing it. Usually I film and then I edit within a week. These are really thin chipboard letter stickers. I don't know who they're by. I can tell you that they are black and sparkly, and they are in a serif letter font. That's all I could tell you. I don't think they came in the kit. Oh, so I apologize. I did add something in from that wasn't the kit. These letter stickers came in the kit. And I've got to say, I'm not a fan of them because the letters are different sizes. Even like the lowercase letters and the uppercase letters, they're actually different sizes. Some of them are bigger than others and some are smaller. And am I just too picky with scrapbooking supplies? Like, I don't know. Like the S drives me crazy. And if I move it down, then it doesn't look like it belongs. That one's worse. I'm pretty sure I'd change it. The S was just driving me nuts.